Hello there, and thank God it's Friday. Welcome. This is Business Nigeria. These are the stories we're tracking for you at this time. Transcorp Group records 143.7 billion naira revenue, an increase of 62% in Q1 of 2025. FRC insists Nigeria's economy not an hyperinflationary. Stocks gain on signs of easing Sino-US trade tensions. Well, let's look quickly at what the commodities market is looking like this afternoon. Gold pretty well, performing well at $3,267.90, positive 1.42%. Silver is same, 0.99%. Copper is 3.38% positive, and platinum is 0.20%. Back and forth meetings between United States and China. We see that effect on price of commodities across the board. But let's see what foodstuffs. Some are looking like corn is also positive today, but it's on a bit flat, $472 per metric ton. Wheat, $535.50 per metric ton. Cocoa, $8,743. It's a bit down, that market. It's a mixed bag. It's been that flip-flop since Monday this week. But cotton is up 1.25%. Let's see stocks now. Global stocks surged today as signs of possible trade talks between the United States and China lifted risk sentiments after Dow earnings results from tech leader Apple and Amazon fueled worries about the impact of the global trade war. Now, U.S. stock features a reversed course from earlier falls after Apple trimmed its share buyback program. One warned the tariffs could add about $900 million in cost this quarter. Features for S&P 500 rose 0.8%. All markets today are in green. What are they reacting to? Well, those Nasdaq features were 0.6% higher. Eurostock market was set for a strong open, with Eurostock 50 features up 1.3%. MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares outside of Japan rose to its highest level since March 2025. Now, recouping all of its losses since United States President Donald Trump kicked off a trade war with his tariffs in early April. Japan's Nikkei gained over 1%. That's significant. Taiwanese stocks surged 2.4%. Hong Kong Hang Seng surged 1.6%, while mainland China market were closed for a long holiday. Well, let's go to the crude oil market now. Crude oil market climbed today after China said it was open for talks with the United States. I'm sure that's why we're seeing that positive also across stock markets globally on tariffs, raising hopes of a de-escalation in the bitter trade war between the world's two largest economies and oil consumers. Well, U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude is marginally up, selling for $59.30 per barrel, with an upsurge of 0.10%. Brent crude futures sells for $62.21 per barrel, with an upward price margin of 0.13%. Bonny Light sells for $78.62 per barrel, with a downward margin of 2.84%. Now, for the OPEC basket, dealers offer $66.52 per barrel, with an uptick of 0.01%.